Before you begin, remove the main service door, keyboard, drive service door, top cover, display bezel, webcam board, display panel, and display panel cable. Removal. Carefully disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables from their connectors on the wireless LAN module. Important: take note of the routing of the antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless LAN antenna cables from the routing channel on the base enclosure and right hinge. Remove the 4 P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the display enclosure to the hinges. Remove the 2 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display enclosure to the hinges. Separate the display enclosure from the hinges and remove. Replacement. Note, if installing a new display enclosure, remove the wireless LAN antennas from the old display enclosure and replace them on the new one. Reattach the hinges into their clips on the display enclosure, ensuring that the wireless LAN antenna cables go under the right hinge. Replace the 2 P1 Phillips head screws. Replace the 4 P1 Phillips broadhead screws. Route the wireless LAN antenna cables through the routing channel on the base enclosure and right hinge. Carefully reconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables to their connectors on the wireless LAN module.